Elon Musk's terrifying discovery on Mars changes everything. Apart from making self-driving cars, Elon Musk is eager to land on Mars. He's been funding projects that involve the Red Planet. Musk has the vision, and he charges SpaceX with that vision. He doesn't mind engaging NASA to do this. Elon Musk is a man that loves great challenges, and he doesn't run away when he faces one. Musk is keen to colonize the Martian planet and even transport humans to the planet. Elon Musk's terrifying discovery on Mars changes everything. Hit like and watch this video to the end to learn more about this catastrophic event. Welcome to your favorite channel, Unlimited SpaceX. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting news about SpaceX projects and Elon Musk's many controversies. Elon Musk's terrifying discovery on Mars changes everything. What did the billionaire discover? Will it change his goal to colonize Mars? Did he discover the presence of aliens on the planet? Or has he triggered a war? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Feel free to let us know what you think in the comment sections. Now, let's get on with the video. Elon Musk has been trying his possible best to get humans on Mars. His Mars dream started in 2001 when he conceived an idea to land a miniature experimental greenhouse containing seeds with dehydrated gel on Mars to grow plants on Martian soil. He named this project Mars Oasis. He even bought refurbished ICBMs, hoping they would be enough to send the envisioned payloads, that is the miniature experimental greenhouses, into space. Over the years, Musk developed the goal to send humans to Mars and even enable their settlement. He even claimed in an interview in 2011 that he hoped to send humans to Mars's surface within 10 to 20 years. Elon Musk is about to hit a big milestone this year on his road to Mars if all goes according to plan. Musk, via his company SpaceX, has successfully developed a giant rocket known as Starship to help make Mars colonization and a variety of other ambitious exploration feats possible. Reports have shown that some Starship prototypes have taken just a handful of low-altitude hops off Earth's surface to date, but the vehicle is on target to earn its orbital wings in the relatively near future, SpaceX founder and CEO Elon Musk said. Musk said in his statement, "I feel at this point highly confident that we'll get to orbit this year." He said this during a live-streamed Starship update from Starbase, SpaceX's facility in South Texas near Boca Chica Village. There have been many concerns about the colonization of Mars. One of these pressing concerns is the transportation of humans and cargo to the fourth planet of the solar system. As it stands, it seems SpaceX and its boss just solved that mystery. Musk's aerospace company is developing Starship to take people and cargo to the Moon, Mars, and other deep space destinations. The mega rocket system consists of two elements, a huge first-stage booster known as Super Heavy and an upper-stage spacecraft called Starship. If these two elements are combined, a Starship vehicle towers about 390 feet, 119 meters above the ground. With that height, the Starship is the tallest rocket ever built, beating the previous record holder, NASA's Saturn V moon rocket. The Starship is also the largest rocket ever. Starship's thrust will be more than twice that of the iconic Saturn V, Musk said. The Starship will enter Mars' atmosphere at 7.5 kilometers per second and decelerate aerodynamically. The vehicle's heat sheet is designed to withstand multiple entries. According to SpaceX, Starship will be the world's most powerful launch vehicle ever developed, with the ability to carry more than 100 metric tons to Earth orbit. To fully colonize the Red Planet, Musk needs significant quantities of cargo and people. The company claims that a fully reusable Starship system uses in-space propellant transfer to achieve this and carry people on long-duration interplanetary flights. If everything goes pretty well, each Starship vehicle will be capable of launching from Earth's surface every 6 to 8 hours, and every Super Heavy will be able to do so roughly every hour, Musk said. "We believe if this could be achieved, the costs of flight rates per mission will reduce." The billionaire seems to agree with this. It may be as little as a few $1 million per flight, maybe even as low as $1 million per flight, Musk said. These are crazy low numbers by space standards. There are more crazy properties about Starship that show that Musk and SpaceX are ready to take on the Red Planet. The two systems combined to make Starship are powered by SpaceX's new Raptor engine. Elon Musk said that his company designed the Raptor engine with Mars in mind. The engine burns liquid oxygen and liquid methane, propellants that can be sourced on the Red Planet. Awesome stuff. Musk said that Super Heavy will sport 33 Raptors going forward, an increase over the previous number, which was 29. The final Starship vehicle will likely get a power boost as well, from its current 6 Raptors to 9, Musk added. There have been reports that the rocket will go to the moon before going to Mars. The Starship has yet to perform its first orbital test flights, as SpaceX awaits the approval of the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration. Indications show that the review will end up going SpaceX's way. This kind of reaction means the FAA won't recommend drafting a lengthy and time-consuming environmental impact statement, EIS. But what if the agency decides an EIS is necessary? What'll Musk do? SpaceX has some flight options. Musk said that the company already has the necessary approvals to launch Starship from its facilities at NASA's Kennedy Space Center, KSC, in Florida, though it will need to build a launch and catch tower for the vehicle there. So I guess our worst case scenario is that we would, be delayed for 6 to 8 months to build up Florida's Cape Canaveral launch from there, Elon Musk said. We've been letting you in on SpaceX plans for Mars. Let's talk a little about Mars plans for humans. Mars is the 4th planet and is right after Earth. It is 4,220 miles, 6,791 kilometers in diameter, far smaller than our green planet. Mars is about 9% as massive as Earth with a gravitational pull 38% as strong. According to NASA, the atmosphere of Mars is 95.32% carbon dioxide, 2.7% nitrogen, 1.6% argon, and 0.13% oxygen, and 0.08% carbon monoxide, with minor amounts of water, nitrogen oxide, hydrogen deuterium oxide, krypton, neon, and xenon. Unlike Earth that has 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, noble gases, and trace amounts of carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor, the Martian planet has a solid core composed of sulfur, iron, and nickel. The crust of Mars is probably largely made of volcanic rock basalt, which is also common in the crusts of the Earth. According to some key data recorded by NASA's InSight lander, Mars' internal structure is quite different from our planet's structure. The InSight team members estimated that the planet's core is 1,110 to 1,300 miles, 1,780 to 2,080 kilometers wide. InSight's observations also suggest that Mars's crust is 14 to 45 miles, 24 and 72 kilometers thick on average, with the mantle making up the rest of the planet's non-atmospheric volume. Earth's core is around 4,400 miles, and its mantle is roughly 1,800 miles, 2,900 kilometers thick. Our planet has 2 kinds of crust, continental and oceanic, whose average thicknesses are about 25 miles, 40 kilometers, and 5 miles, 8 kilometers respectively. If you plan on joining Musk on his expedition to the Red Planet in the nearest future, just hope that there have been solutions to the weather on the Martian planet. The planet is much colder than Earth. The planet experiences this due to its great distance from the sun. The average temperature of Mars is about minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, although it can vary from minus 195 Fahrenheit near the poles during the winter to as much as 70 Fahrenheit at midday near the equator. So cold for a red planet. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter found the first definitive detections of carbon dioxide snow clouds, making Mars the only body in the solar system known to host such unusual winter weather. The red planet also causes water ice snow to fall from the clouds. Mars has been observed to experience a longer year, thanks to its farther distance from the sun. A year on Mars is 687 days, compared to 365 days in our world, though we have similar day lengths. The day on Mars takes about 24 hours and 40 minutes compared to our 24 hours. The planet has 2 moons, namely Phobos and Deimos. They're probably made of carbon-rich rock, mixed with ice and covered in dust and loose rocks. They are tiny next to Earth's moon and are irregularly shaped. The planet is called the Red Planet because the soil looks like rusty iron. That's all for today's video, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button for more videos. See you soon.